Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to jazz up your Canva designs with unique shapes, today's tutorial is just what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own custom shapes in Canva, which is a fantastic way to add personality and flair to any project, whether it's a social post, a flyer, or something totally original. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to sign up, and don't worry, you can follow along with a free account. Once you're in, you'll start by clicking the Create button, usually located at the top right of your dashboard. This is where all your creative journeys in Canva begin. Clicking Create gives you a menu of options, but for today's project, we want to take full control over the size of our canvas. So next up, select Custom Size. This is a really handy feature that lets you decide exactly how big your design will be. For this tutorial, set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. You might be wondering why these specific numbers. Setting a custom size, even if it seems small or oddly specific, is a powerful way to make sure your shapes and designs fit perfectly wherever you want to use them later, like inside a logo, as a label, or in more complex layouts. Once you've entered the size, click Create New Design, and Canva will open up a fresh, blank canvas for you, kind of like a crisp sheet of paper just waiting for your ideas. Now with your blank canvas open, head over to the sidebar on the left and click on Elements. This is where Canva shines. It's packed with everything from icons to graphics, but today we're focused on the Shapes category. At first, Canva will show you just a few shape options, but here's a tip: always click See All. It's right next to the Shapes preview, and it unlocks a huge selection of possibilities beyond just squares and circles. Think stars, hearts, badges, and so much more. Sometimes the perfect shape is hiding just a click away, so definitely take a moment to scroll through and get inspired. Once you see a shape you love, all you have to do is click it and it'll instantly pop up on your canvas. Feel free to add as many shapes as you like. You can resize, rotate, or overlap them to build something truly custom. For example, maybe you want a funky background for text, or you want to layer a few shapes to make a cool icon. This part is where creativity really comes in. If things look a bit off at first, that's totally normal. Play around, drag shapes where you want them, and experiment with colors and outlines. Canva's super forgiving if you want to undo or tweak anything. And that's really it. Once you're happy with how your shapes look, you can go ahead and use them however you like within Canva, add text, images, or more elements to complete your design. Remember, you can copy and reuse these custom shapes in your other projects too, which is a great time saver. So that wraps up our quick guide to creating custom shapes in Canva. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more Canva tips and tricks, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.